See children, find the arithmetic mean. Marks obtained 0 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 21, 21 to 28, 28 to 35, 35 to 42, 40 to 49. These range class interval means 0 to 7 is the 19 members came, 7 to 14, 25 members came, 14 to 21, 36 members came, 21 to 28, 72 members came, like that. See, class interval is given, then frequency means number of students are given. Next, we have to find the mid values. 0 plus 7, 7 by 2, 3.5. 7 plus 14, 21 by 2, 10.5. Like this one. Now, highest values are there. What are the 72? This is the A value. This one minus this one. 3 minus 24, 21 minus 21 by 7. These differences. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, it will come children. 10 minus 24, 14, 14 by 7, these differences. Xi minus A by C D value. Then F into D, 19 3s are 57, 25 2s are 50, 36 into minus 1, minus 36, 72 into 0, 0, 51 1s are 51, 43 2s are 86, 28 3s are 84. Then sigma FD is the 78, C is the 7, sigma Fi, all the values are addition, we get the 274. Then we have to do it children. Any 7 table it will come, 7 3 is 21, then how much? 27 minus 21, 664, not going. 2 table we can write cancel, or 4 table, 2 table. 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are, then 2 3s are 6, 39. Now any table is going 30, 39 3s are 3 9s are 27, 2 3 3s are 9, 2 11, not going. Now should multiply with 39 into 7, 7 9s are 63, 7 3 is 21, 7 9 is 63, 6, 7 3 is 21, 6, 27, 273 by 137. Then we should divide this one. 24.5 plus 137 2s are 130 2s are how much? 260 will come. 2.